Hello, I'm Dr. Umesh Dhamija, and today I'll be explaining how is solar eclipse actually created and what is its model that we can make in a school to explain the students. So actually what happens is, while revolving around the earth, moon comes in between sun and the earth. With that, the sun rays do not fall on earth, and we cannot see the sun, and we find the darkness in the daytime. Exactly, this is what is the moon here in this model, and here is the earth from where we are going to see the sun. So that's my sun, and this is the moon, and now I'm looking from the earth. So the earth and the sun, in between the two, the moon comes, and when we look from the earth, you can see I'm looking from the earth, and I'm looking at the sun. As I look toward the sun, see, this is in the space, the moon is there, I can see the moon only, and when this moon, it is revolving around the earth, right? You can see there is no any sun right now. The moon, while revolving, comes in between the sun and the earth. You can see the sun is being partially eclipsed by the moon, and this is called as a solar eclipse, right? It's very simple. So it's very simple demonstration of solar eclipse. This is the perfect solar eclipse. So let us now go more detail about. There is no superstition about it. What people think about something, right? Something wrong will happen in their life, right? In some religions, it is not considered good, but actually there is nothing like this. It's a simple heavenly celestial phenomena which takes place in the sky. Right? It is not only taking place on the earth, it is taking place on many planets, many other heavenly bodies also. So it's a simple phenomena of celestial phenomena, solar eclipse. So there is no any logical and astrological effects on our life, but of course it can affect the what you call human physiology and human philosophy and activity, the biochemistry of the animals and plants both. It's a wonderful explanation.